Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign in with your Microsoft account and enable app installs. Open the Microsoft Store app, search for the app, and verify it's installed. Once done, make sure the app icon appears in Start. If not, look under My Library or Downloads to confirm installation status. Now proceed to create a desktop shortcut. That's where you'll make the app accessible from the desktop quickly and reliably. Next, locate the installed app in Start. You'll either see a tile or an entry in the app list. Right-click that app and choose More, then Open File Location. This finds the shortcut in File Explorer. Once visible, drag the shortcut to your desktop or right-click it and choose Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut. Make sure permissions allow shortcut creation. If the app doesn't show Open File Location, use the next step to create a shortcut via Finally, tidy up. Rename the desktop shortcut if you want and pin the app to taskbar or Start for extra convenience. If Open File Location was unavailable, create a shortcut manually using PowerShell or an app protocol, Shell, Apps folder. Once done, test the shortcut to ensure it launches the Store app. If it fails, restart Explorer or reinstall the app from Microsoft Store. That usually fixes corrupt shortcuts. If problems persist, check accounts sign-in and app permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.